Good day, this is the Professor, drwillphd, PhD, and today is Thursday, November 17th, 2022. It is 8:46 and 33 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, myocarditis. So let's hop to it here. The cardiac antigen identified as mechanism for heart complication with immunotherapy-related myocarditis. Date November 16th. 2022. Source: Vanderbilt University Medical Center. Myocarditis is a complication that can occur in cancer patients treated with immunocheckpoint inhibitors. Although the adverse event is rare, affecting less than 1% of patients given the immunotherapy, the mortality rate is nearly 50%. Now, researchers have identified the mechanism for the deadly heart inflammation. The researchers discovered that T cells recognizing the cardiac antigen alpha-myosin are the mechanism for this complication, setting the framework to identify biomarkers so at-risk patients can be recognized and medical strategies developed for them to tolerate the immunotherapy. In 2016, the research group first described two melanoma patients treated with immunotherapy who developed myocarditis and performed some early studies linking the activity of T cells in the heart to the condition. The research team obtained cardiac samples and peripheral blood from 3 patients who had suffered severe myocarditis after being treated with immunocheckpoint inhibitors. And these samples were analyzed after the team replicated immunotherapy-related myocarditis in a mouse model. The researchers sequenced individual T cells invading the heart during myocarditis in the mouse models to reconstruct their receptors. And these T cell receptors were then screened against peptides to determine specificity. After determination of the specific peptide, the researchers analyzed the human samples and found that the 3 patients had reactive T cells to this same antigen source, a protein called alpha-myosin, which is expressed only in heart and skeletal muscles. The extension of the findings from the mouse model to human patients was a key part of the work. These results show how useful it is to have a mouse model where you can make an initial discovery and use that to understand something about human disease. The data show that alpha-myosin is a disease-relevant autoantigen in patients with immunotherapy-related myocarditis. They hope this mechanistic understanding of this often deadly complication can pave the way toward making immunotherapy safer for patients. The clinicians currently do not have a clear understanding for why immunotherapy-related myocarditis occurs in some patients, although early treatment with steroids can improve survival chances. A more effective treatment is needed. The study is the first to identify the role of alpha-myosin in the mechanism of heart complications from immunocheckpoint inhibitors. The study is also among the first to identify a candidate autoantigen for the immunotherapy toxicity in humans. While autoreactive T cells are the presumed mechanism for many toxicities and immunotherapies, tracing the condition back to a specific T cell receptor, often unique to each patient, an antigen source, drawing from tens and hundreds of thousands of potential antigens in the human body, is a daunting task. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.